Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will be showing you guys how I made these edible leaves. So guys, these are the ingredients that you will need. So I posted a video with the instructions of how I did the fondant. So if you guys are interested to know what the process was like, I will place the link in the description box down below. So the first thing, after I laid out my ingredients, I placed some food coloring onto my fondant so that I can get the desired color that I wanted it to be. It is not a hard process to do. All you have to do is continue adding the food coloring and roll it up into your hands so that you can get the desired color that you're looking for. So I use these to make edible cards for my next channel. So if you guys are interested in that, I will also place a link in the description box for you guys to see as well. So I use the yellow food coloring to make this yellow fondant. So you can just repeat the previous process. And here I have my mold. All I did right here was to take pieces of the green fondant and the yellow fondant and place them into the leaf that I wanted to make, and using my finger to press it into the mold. You should ensure that the fondant fits into the mold before you take it out. So right here you have to be really delicate when you're taking out the leaves, because if you're not delicate it will break apart. So guys, this is how you do it. You can use these to decorate your cakes and other things that you wish to. Pretty simple and easy, right? It does not need to take a lot of time.